welcome to WikiVox channel where the search for the truth begins. When a squad of jet fighters, bombers and drones are flying towards their target, an enemy aircraft will carry a laser weapon that fires a laser that destroys multiple aircraft. This is called direct energy weapon. Can they place a direct energy weapon in a military plane? In 2010, they test fired the laser weapon from a truck. How was that possible? They say that they are going to install these weapons in ships. How will this be possible? You may say that there is a coronavirus pandemic happening in the world. No country will test these weapons now. We will answer this question. The program called SHIELD for Direct Energy Weapons. When we talk about DARPA, it is an organization that was set up to build new technology which the world has not seen. We have discussed in previous videos how ARPA became DARPA. DARPA developed technology which the world thought was unimaginable and cannot be developed. Many countries are in tech race with DARPA. There is a recent news from the UK. We know that the UK is not a part of the European Union. The UK has announced that within 2 years, 2021 and 2022, they will invest 14.6 billion euro in technology. What was the reason given by the UK government? The country said that it needs to boost its army. They said that they had to show the world that UK is one of the superpowers. To enhance its army and its technology, the UK needs an organization similar to DARPA. This is the reason they have announced nearly $1 billion which is equivalent to 76,000 crore rupees to be invested in research and development. The UK Science Research Agency name will be called ARIA, Advanced Research and Invention Agency. Who will control ARIA? DARPA is not under any government control, but they directly send their reports to the President of the USA. UK's ARIA will function autonomously. So ARIA, like DARPA, will invent new technology for the UK government. In this pandemic also, the world is advancing in technology. In other news, we hear about Project Blackjack. DARPA has announced that Project Blackjack will be started in 2021. DARPA has placed an order for 6 satellites and an additional 4 satellites for this project. In 2021, DARPA will launch Project Blackjack's 3 payloads into space. They are going to create a meshed network. When we talk about meshed network, Starlink is already in place. Elon Musk, through Project Starlink, has launched more than 1,000 satellites into space. Similar to Project Starlink, DARPA's version will be Project Blackjack, which will have satellites launched into space. The satellites will be in low Earth orbit. DARPA has developed software to control the satellites. This software name is PitBoss. The 3 payloads consist of Mandrake 1, Mandrake 2 and Wildcard. Mandrake 1 and Mandrake 2 are satellites. The Wildcard is the satellite that will carry the softwares. Within 2022, DARPA will test launch these satellites. Through this project, DARPA will be able to get direct communication. DARPA's Blackjack is an exact match to Project Starlink. So DARPA is now creating a project which equals the Starlink project. Why is DARPA doing Project Blackjack? What is the reason behind Project Starlink? The next era will contain artificial intelligence, facial recognition and modern warfare. The world which we live will disappear. The next world will be a virtual world. Cars without drivers, aircraft without pilots. So the AI will decide everything in that modern world. So for an AI to function effectively, it will need a super fast network. If there is a problem in connectivity, this will cause a chain reaction which may end as a disaster. This is the reason projects like Blackjack and Starlink are developed. What is the connection between these projects and the direct energy weapon? This is the next question. The answer to this question is all countries are now in an arms race to develop advanced hypersonic missiles, ballistic missiles. These missiles are capable of carrying a nuclear warhead. Countries in the world are living in constant fear of a nuclear war. How will they destroy these missiles, which are hypersonic and ballistic missiles? To destroy these missiles, the enemy has to disconnect the connection between the satellite and the missile, or they have to destroy the missiles directly. To destroy these missiles, direct energy weapons will be used. When it is laser weapons, it is 1-to-1. If they want to destroy a single target like a missile, laser weapons will be directed towards these missiles. In 2019, America introduced DLWS, Demonstrator Laser Weapon System, a truck which had nearly 10 kiloton laser weapons. America tested the laser weapon and it was a success. America announced that it has developed laser weapon technology. India is currently working on this technology. This project is firing lasers from the ground. DARPA's aim is to install the laser weapon systems in warships. DARPA named the project Helios, High Energy Laser and Integrated Optical Dazzler with Surveillance System. Helios weighs nearly 150 kiloton. DARPA's aim is to install Helios in warships to destroy enemy warships. Helios can also destroy anti-ship missiles. The power of Helios is 150 kiloton. Now, DARPA is in development of 500 kiloton and 1 megaton laser weapon system. We have discussed this technology for the Army and the Navy. They want to include laser technology in the Air Force. DARPA has initiated a project called SHIELD. So, SHIELD is a laser energy weapon in aircraft. How are they going to implement this technology in the Air Force? Please search for this topic SHIELD. In the next part, we will discuss in detail SHIELD and Helios. We will also discuss where does India stand in laser weapons technology. Has China developed this laser weapon? Comments about this video are most welcome. Please do subscribe and share for more content to Wikivox, the voice of Tamil Bookism. Please give a like to this video and please hit the notification icon. Nandri, Vanakkam.